Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to boost your investment and bring more eyes to your project by um, using coin tracking websites. So there's two popular coin tracking websites. One is Coingecko, which is the one you see in front of you right here, and another one is CoinMarketCap, which is this site right here. There are two popular crypto project or cryptocurrency coin tracking websites. And this is another way you could draw more interest to your project um, by actually going to their pages and adding them to your account. So the first thing you do, um, let's see, first you create an account with CoinGecko if you don't have one. After you do that, you click on dark mode if you like dark mode too, like me. You could go to this upper right section if you didn't know about it and just click on the sun symbol and go to or the moon symbol and go to dark mode. After you do that and you're logged in, then you type in the name of your project here in the search bar on the upper right. It could be different on your device. If you're on mobile or on a different screen, it might look different on your screen. So I'm going to type in Axion for this demonstration. And I already know this is a symbol for my project that I'm looking for. Okay, and another way to verify that you got the correct token or cryptocurrency is by verifying the contract address. So way to verify the contract address is going to the company's main website. So you see the address ends in 23D9. Now I'm going to go to the company's website, use a search engine. The name of my project is Axion Network. Okay, it's usually towards the top of your search engine results. You just gotta verify with other ones if you want to be extra safe. Click on that. And sometimes the contract address is hard to find. You could also, like this website has a how to buy section since it's a cryptocurrency token, and a lot of times you're gonna find it under similar sections on your project's websites if it's a cryptocurrency. If you can't find it easily, you might have to go to like a Discord server or a Telegram server and look through their official links over there and ask like the moderators, because they usually have team members at these two platforms where you could text to them and they have help support. This particular project has their own support link over here and over here with the help button and a knowledge base too, where you can find that type of information, I believe. So it might be hard to find, but it's, just don't rush into things and make sure you have the correct information. So you can get it through Discord or Telegram, and you can try to find it through the main website, like this website for this project, which I found through the Google search or your own search engine. You don't have to use Google. So I'm going to click how to buy section, because usually you find contract hazards is through there. I don't see it up here. It says buy Axion directly on SushiSwap. I don't see it there. Don't see it there. Buy from the market. The contract address. See, okay, so it takes a while to find, but you could find it here. And you can see through the main company's website that they actually post a contract address and it ends in 23D9, so that's the correct address. And I'm going to go back to CoinGecko and confirm it, 23D9, so I got the correct token right here in front of me. Once you verify that and you're logged in, create an account and logged in, then you could add it to your favorites by selecting this star button and then adding it to your portfolio or add it to a different portfolio. So I already have it added, that's why it has a check mark. And my star turn golden because I already added it. There's 10,975 wallets or accounts watching this or liking it. So that's, I guess, what that means. And this, I'm not sure what this is. You can share it on Facebook or Twitter. This particular link for Coingecko. You can get notifications for price alerts, I think. Yeah. Through that button. So that's the first step. You create an account, and then after you create an account, you log in. You add that to your watch list. That's what helps boost your activity to your project that you're trying to support and get more investors in. The next step is actually to come over here once every 24 hours and leave either a good or a bad. But since we're trying to help, we're going to leave a good impression, even though other people might be leaving a bad impression because they're not happy. So I left a good impression, and the next time I could do this again is in another 24 hours. And this is the way you can help out your project, by doing that step right there on a daily basis. And this one, you just do it once and set it and forget it. You don't have to keep on adding it to your favorites or watch lists every single day. And you can do the same thing for CoinMarketCap. So you just do a search again for your project. Axion is for demonstration purposes here, and I'm bringing more eyes to my project by making this video. See, I already added to my favorites, so that's why it's golden like that. But you just click on the star symbol to add it to your watch list. And it's on our 8,515 watch list for CoinMarketCap. And you can see the correct contract headers here to make sure you're on the correct token. And this is the section right below the price chart. How do you feel about Axion today? Vote to see community results. So I'm going to leave a positive. And see, only 64% left good for today and 36% left bad. And your vote is only as good as is for 24 hours. In order to update how you feel about Axion, come back tomorrow. And the same thing like Coingecko, so you could do that. And I believe there's a comment section, if I'm not mistaken. I don't see that here now, but there used to be a comment section for like about a couple weeks. You could do that too, to leave positive comments. And leave that star over there. That's the two things you could do. After you create an account with CoinMarketCap and log in, then you add it to your watch list by clicking that star button, and that's only needed to be done once. And then you come here every day or every so often and leave an upvote to help boost social activity or give a positive energy to your project. Okay, that's how you do it. How you boost activity and awareness and try to get more people involved in your project by bringing more eyes to your project in crypto specifically, but this probably could work in other settings for other types of investments as well, if they have similar tracking websites as well. And this is how the Coingecko website looks like. This is CoinMarketCap, and you get the official contract addresses like this one right here. You can verify it through the main company's website, which is right here in the how to buy section, but it's also very hard to get a lot of times, so you could always ask if you're in a crypto project through the crypto's Discord, official Discord server or Telegram, and ask the team members from there. And make sure it's a specific, actually a team member. Usually they won't DM you directly if they're team members, because a lot of people will scam you, usually DM you first, so that's why they don't DM you. So be aware of scams and people trying to hack you and trying to steal your funds. You got to be careful out there, especially in crypto, because there's no recourse. Most of the time, you're responsible, and people do lose money if they're not careful or they're in a rush. So be careful out there. And yeah, so that's how you can support your investments by using coin tracking websites like Coingecko and CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more segments on how to support your project on other social media platforms or other online websites. Thanks.